These are some of the finest CapCut features and latest CapCut features that you probably do not know about. They can literally change your editing game. So stay with me. Let me show you how to use them. The first CapCut feature is called the relight. And I'm going to be using my video to demonstrate how to quickly do it. Now you see this option here, relight. You tap on it. What this can do for you, especially if you have a very poor background, your video, you don't have proper lighting in your house. My video already has considerably a good lighting, but there are times that you film and you don't like the lighting. So you are going to select it. Now you don't need to decide yet. Just let the feature load completely. Once it's loaded completely, you can start choosing from these options which of them is best for your video. It will literally turn your video, you see. Now this is looking like super LED light, those colored LED lights you add to your video. Have you seen the difference? And this is how it's going to be throughout the video, the area I selected. Now you let it load. Now you can start choosing to check which of them you prefer. Let's see. Of course, I don't like this. Now if you want to reduce the intensity, you tap on it again. You see, you can actually reduce the intensity, but that's not what we are doing today. Good. You see, now it gives you opportunity to choose whichever one. As far as you let the first one load, this is the first one we did before, right? Now this is another one, this is another one, then it continues on and on and on and on and on and on. It hasn't completed. Good, it has loaded now. So you are seeing the lightning, right? It's like those lightning you pay a lot to get. Oh my god, Capcut has really gone far, and it has made I really love this one. For me, I would like to, I don't know why I like it. I want to, okay, when I reduce the intensity, you see, okay, this is radius is about the perimeter is covering. For me, I don't know about you, but I really like this one. I really like this one. So it gives you the opportunity to choose whichever lighting you want to go with. So now the next CapCut feature that is mind-blowing is called the reframe, auto reframe. Now if you film in a certain aspect ratio and you want to change the aspect ratio, you use the auto reframe option. Now I filmed in what's it called, 9:16, which is for the vertical field, the real field. Now if I want to reframe it to 16:9 or any other aspect ratio, it makes it easier. Now these are the aspect ratio that are available. This is the original. Mine is in 16:9, as you can. So nothing happened. Now let's assume I want to reframe it to 16:9. Okay, you see it now? It has reframed to 16:9. Now the reason it's looking as though my head is not very visible is because it's a headshot. If my body was a bit far off, it would have been more excellent. So this can easily help you you see, the fact that I was even able to track and cover my face is like, it's crazy. It makes it really beautiful. Now I'm going to take it back to what it is because I want to use this video for another example. Now this CapCut, the next CapCut feature I'm going to be showing you, usually it only used to be possible when you use Snapchat or TikTok and all of that, but now you can do it inside your CapCut. Is that not crazy? You come to effect and you come to body effect. And now you see many effects, amazing effects you can use to spice up your content game, even the blur. But where I'm going to is this big mouth and the embarrassed face. You know that when you're doing funny comments, and usually the only way to achieve this usually is to be Snapchat when you're recording. But this one you can already record a video and come and use this. Easy. Very easy. Very easy. Also, you know that time when maybe you are recording a skit and suddenly the person's head is unnecessarily big, you are wondering how come.
Have to let him go.
CapCut. So basically that's it. Makes it easier, right? Now listen to this video very well. You will hear background noise.
Due to company policies and gave him 3 weeks notice to properly handle.
You hear background noises, right? Now you can actually cancel the noise in your video. Maybe not cancel completely, but at least reduce it to something very good. Now you come to the reduce noise option, you turn it on.
Have to let him go due to company policies and gave him 3 weeks notice to properly hand over.
It doesn't go completely, but it will do a good job. Or if the noise doesn't go completely, you can come to isolate voice and choose keep voice.
You have to let him go due to company policies and gave him 3 weeks notice to properly hand over.
And that noise has completely gone. So these are some of the finest Capcut features that you can try out on your own. There'll be a part 2 of this video because there are more Capcut video features that are new and make your work very easy. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you find this video helpful.